The EBSCO mobile app provides library users with an easy way to access their library's EBSCO host and EBSCO Discovery Service resources. It is available for Apple and Android devices from the iTunes App Store and Google Play Store. Please note that while EBSCO ebooks cannot be downloaded in the app, they can be discovered in the app and read using the online ebook viewer. After downloading the app, open it on your device and tap Get Started to locate your institution and sign in. Tap the search box to find your library or tap Use My Location to find a library near your physical location. You can connect to the free EBSCO Open Research profile if your library was not found using Find My Organization. Tap Try EBSCO Open Research at the bottom of the screen to access this profile and begin searching. Select your institution from the list and click Connect Your Institution. Tap Continue to allow the app to continue to sign you in, then log in using the method provided by your institution, such as a username and password combination, single sign-on, or a library card barcode. Or, if you have already created a personal user account, you can sign in with your personal account credentials. From the mobile app home screen, you can access articles and ebooks you've recently viewed, as well as recommended articles based on the most recent articles you have viewed. Tap a subject in the Discover Recent Subjects area to execute a search for articles related to that subject. Subjects in this area are displayed based on articles you have viewed while using the app. To search the app, begin by tapping the magnifying glass in the menu at the bottom. Enter your search terms in the search box. Then tap a suggested search or tap Search on your device's keyboard to run the search. You can also tap a filter, peer-reviewed, full text, or select a date range to apply it to your search. Your results are displayed. When viewing results, you can refine your results by source type by tapping the filter below the search box. Tap an article or book title to see the details or read the full text. Scroll down to view the details of the article. You can view all subjects related to an article by swiping to the left. Tap the More like this tab to view recommended articles related to the one you are viewing. If full text is available, tap Access Options to read the article. Depending on availability, you can choose to read the article online or in PDF full text format. You may also click Listen to have the article read to you. If the full text article displayed in the app does not meet your accessibility needs, you can request an alternative format. Tap the Accessibility Support icon, fill out the Accessible Content Support form, including your name, email address, and desired format, and then tap Submit to send your request. Tap the bookmark icon to save the article within the app. The EBSCO mobile app lets you share links to articles and ebooks using your device's tools. Tap the Share icon and select the desired method to share the link to an article from your device's available options. Tap the bookmark icon at the bottom of the screen to view your saved articles. When you are logged into the app using the Find My Organization option, articles are saved until you are logged out of the app, at which time they are removed. When you are logged into the EBSCO mobile app with your personal user account, saved articles are stored in the app until you delete them. In addition, items saved in the app can be accessed when logged into EBSCO Host and EDS with your My EBSCO account. The EBSCO mobile app interface can be translated into multiple languages by changing the language in your device's settings. Please refer to your individual device's support materials for more information. To learn more about the EBSCO mobile app, as well as how to create your own personal account, please visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.